everyone. When we have log of 2.34 equals 0.3692, we're going to determine each of these logarithms. And we're going to use the fact that we have a common logarithm of base 10, and our common logarithm of log of x has two parts, the characteristic and the mantissa. The characteristic is a positive or negative integer part of log of x. So basically looking at this, what you do, we have a 0 here. So basically, since our characteristic of our log is the number less than 1, because 0 is less than 1, what you do is you count the number of zeros here. We have 2, and you add 1, and then you do negative. So this would end up being negative 3 plus 0.3692. Now, another way to write this is 3 and put the negative on top of the 3, or you can say bar. Then you can write this as 0.3692. What you don't want to do, this cannot be negative 3.3692, because that would make this part here negative if you're negating all this. So our mantissa has to be a positive fractional part. So this would be a good answer. What you can do, however, is take this and actually calculate it. And if you calculate it, you're going to get negative 2.6308. So you can do that. You just cannot do this. All right, because of the mantissa part given here, which we took from this. All right, now let's do the second problem. Another way to think of this too is you could just say, well, this, let's see, the first non-zero number in the decimal part here appears in the third digit. And then you can get your 3 that way as well. All right, so let's do the next one. Let's first rewrite this using our power rule and write this as 2 times log of 0.234. All right, so basically the characteristic of our log number is less than 1, because we have 0, it's still less than 1. So what we're going to do is take the number of zeros and the number immediately after the decimal, which is 0. Then you add 1. And then you do the negative part here. I know that's kind of small. So basically, when you write this out, this can be 2 times negative 1 plus 0.3692. A good way to write this is 2 times, and then instead of this negative here, put a 1 with the bar. And then you can put your decimal point 3692. Or you could go ahead and expand this one. If you calculate this and multiply by 2, you're going to get negative 1.2616. So I don't know how you want to finalize your answer, but these are good answers here. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.